What we do here is go back.
So guys, that's a little restoration of this little strimmer. Yeah, it's going good now. I use it now time to time. This is ideal for edging, but I was able to do a lot of heavy cutting with it. So that's a brand new headstock. The old one, what was wrong was just the housing that was left. All the internal bits were missing, and I wasn't going to try and find them because we're gone, long gone. So I just got a brand new fitted head. And this new kind of wire, this goes with that head, and it's a very good wire. Some of the wire you get with these cheap strimmers is terrible and they've no durability whatsoever. That's very good wire. I don't think you've had to touch that. Now it is worn in a little bit, as you can see. It's about halfway from where it should be, but it's alright. This is an unusual strimmer. I don't think I've ever seen it very often. That there's no clutch in it. I thought when I was running it, when I got it running and everything, I was wondering why there was no clutch. Like usually there's a clutch in them, so when you squeeze the trigger, then the headstock spins. But this one, it's just constant. So when you start it up, that'll be constantly spinning. It just spins relatively there, just ticks over, and then obviously runs up. I don't think they make them like that anymore. It's a bit unusual, but I just had to I dismantled it all in here and everything. And there was no clutch. It was just straight from a rod straight into the flywheels. So that's just a little fact about it. New fuel lines, that was what was happening really. Now one of them that's still a slight leak in it, I used the hot iron to kind of melt in the plastic and try and seal it. But even at that, petrol was still seep out a small bit. New primer bulb, old one was perished. Camera was cleaned, new spark plug, and yeah, she's all right. She's all out. Good machine. It was laying in the shed for over 15 years, so when it's finally been put back together and put back to work, it's great to see. And yeah, thanks so much, guys, for the follow and support of. As I know, I'm not putting out as much videos as I used to. Just very busy just this time, but when I do have a video, I will film it and put it out to you guys. I never actually filmed any of this. I did get them shots of it when I was doing it. I just never intended to film any of it because I was not bothered to do it at that stage. But yeah, if you want more of these like restoration videos, make sure to hit subscribe, guys. And yeah, I'll hopefully see you in the next one. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you have a good day.